Think of a cat that is both dead and alive. It sounds crazy, right? But the famous Schrödinger's cat paradox proves that, until observed, quantum physics can allow something to exist in multiple states at once.
Welcome to the mind-bending, rule-breaking world of quantum superposition.
Final reminder, everyone, your paradox project is due tonight.
What? It's due tonight? What could me and Ryan have been possibly doing? What is up, YouTube?
Today we are going to be filming in an office at 3 a.m.
We're cooked. We need to study! Ryan, what are we gonna do?
Bro, I don't know, but let's just get dressed. Okay, well, Sophia, now that we're changed, what are we gonna do?
Wait, I have an idea. I'll tell you during class.
Okay.
Okay, here's my idea. Think of a cat that is both dead and alive. It sounds crazy, right? But the famous Schrödinger's cat paradox proves that, until observed, quantum physics can allow something to exist in multiple states at once.
Sophia, what do you have? Sophia!
Huh?
What do you have done?
Quantum decoherence. What else is there? The Schrödinger's cat thought experiment is an experiment that proves the idea of quantum superposition. Quantum superposition is the idea that something can exist in multiple states at once, until observed. The experiment requires a cat placed in a sealed box with a vial of poison that could trigger at any moment, making it a 50% chance of death. Because you can't observe the cat in the box, it is considered both dead and alive.
Okay, Ryan, Sophia, you guys are up to present.
Okay guys, we're starting now. Hi, I'm Sophia.
I'm Ryan.
And today we're going to be doing a presentation on the Schrödinger's cat paradox. The Schrödinger's cat paradox is a thought experiment in 1935 ran by Erwin Schrödinger, where he placed a cat, a vial of poison, and a trigger weapon that we don't have in this box, and tried to determine what state it was in.
Yeah. So, because the cat is in a sealed box and where no one can observe it, what do you guys think? Is it dead or alive? Alive.
Neither.
Well, actually, what if I were to tell you that it's both?
What?
We got an A+.
Oh my gosh, are you being for real?
Yes!
Yeah! Yeah! Jump party? Yeah! Yay!